Hello, my blogger. Let's start. This is my family. My name is Lorena Ortega Pais. I live in Norica with my family. It's conforming my husband, Ferney Blanco, and my two daughters, Lawrence and Isabella. We are a family very fun. We like to travel and share much time together. Usually, we go and visit our family members in different cities or towns. That's wonderful. Therefore, my family and me don't pass much time in house. Now in the pandemic or neighborhood question, how to live a lot of time? It's very curious. As family always live, have a beautiful house. Each family member have a different personality. My husband is great. He outside the problems. He is usually happy. Lorraine is my first daughter. She is the most intelligent of family. She likes help me in all activities. Isabella is the baby. She is very explorer and dynamic. She frequently does loud. And me is the person very optimistic and responsible. Of the family, I consider that family is unique in a sense, but mine is the best family of the world. I love my family. My family is composed my daughters Isabella and Lorraine, and my husband and me. Thank you. Bye bye.